In this video, I'll guide you through how to see your Google Meet call history, whether you're trying to remember when a specific meeting took place or you just want to review your recent calls. Checking your history is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. First, let's start by opening Google Meet. You can do this in a couple of ways. The most common is through your web browser. Open your preferred browser and go to the Google Meet website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you're using the same account you use for your meetings because your call history is tied to that specific account. If you usually access Google Meet through the Gmail interface or through your organization's portal, you can open it from there as well. It will still take you to the same Google Meet home screen as long as you're signed in. Once Google Meet is open, you'll be on the main screen where you normally start or join meetings. Here, you're looking for the section that shows your previous activity. Depending on your version and layout, this is typically labeled Meeting History or Recent. It's usually located near the center or lower part of the page, close to where you'd see options like New Meeting or Join with a Code. Take a moment to look around this area. If you see something like Recent Meetings, History, or simply a list of past meeting titles with dates, that's what you want. Now click on Meeting History or Recent. As soon as you select this, Google Meet will show you a list of your past meetings associated with this account. You'll typically see key details such as the meeting title, the date and time, and sometimes additional information like the meeting code or organizer. This view allows you to quickly scan through what calls you've had recently. If you join a lot of meetings, you might see a fairly long list, so you can scroll to move further back in time. From here, you can view your past meetings in more detail just by looking through the list. Use the dates and titles to help you identify the meeting you're interested in. This can be especially useful if you need to recall when a particular call took place, confirm that you attended a session, or simply track how often you've been meeting with a certain team or client. If you don't immediately see a meeting you expect, make sure you're in the correct Google account, especially if you regularly switch between personal and work profiles. Also, keep in mind that the interface can evolve over time, so the wording might be slightly different, but it will usually be something very close to meeting history or recent, and that's all there is to it. By opening Google Meet, finding the meeting history or recent section, and reviewing the list that appears, you can quickly access your Google Meet call history whenever you need it.